Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have a job update, that is Nutanix is hiring freshers and the job role for that is system testing Python automation. So we shall see the job details. So the experience needed for the job role is for 0 to 2 years of experience, and the job location it is Bangalore, that is India, and the salary it is as per the company standards. So the next thing is the eligibility criteria for the job role. So the education or the qualification needed is for B or BTech or BCA or MCA or ME or MTech or any other equivalent graduates are eligible to apply for the job role. And the year of passing it should be 2020 or 2021 or 2022, and there should be no active backlogs. So these are the eligibility criteria for the job role. So the next thing is the skills that are needed for the job role. So experience in software development or test automation in any one of the programming language, such as it can be Python, Perl, C, C++ or Java. So as they are hiring for the Python automation, so it is good to have knowledge of Python. They are so they have mentioned the Python is one of the preferred language. So the next thing is you need to have strong fundamentals of operating systems and also good knowledge of object oriented programming and also knowledge of data structures and algorithms. And apart from that, you need to have knowledge of basic protocols. So it can be TCP, UDP, whichever. So these are the skills that are needed for the job role. So then coming to the application link, the first step is you need to upload your resume, and then you can fill your basic details, and then you can agree some of the terms, and then you can send the application, and upon submitting you will get a confirmation mail. So the link will be provided in the description. You can quickly go and apply for the job role. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.